Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is part 1 of this 2-part series of Chinese cooking, and in the first part today I'm going to show you how to make some Hakka noodles. So let's get started. To a wok I've added about 1 tablespoon of oil and I'm adding half a cup of the white part of spring onions. I'm going to let that sweat for about half a minute, and once that is done I'm adding some cabbage, about 1 cup of that. And for this recipe I have shredded all of the vegetables. Then I'm adding some carrots, and make sure that your flame is on high while cooking all of these vegetables for this recipe. So once those vegetables cook well, I'm adding 1 cup of capsicum, and I'm gonna let this cook well for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I'm adding some salt to taste, about 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I'm gonna give that a good mix. Then I'm adding some green chili sauce. So the masala that I'm using today is from this brand called Kia. Earlier I've used the one from Ching's and I love that a lot. So today I'm using this. So I'm just gonna mix it all together and let it cook for about 2-3 minutes, and then add my boiled noodles. So the method that I am using to mix it all together is the toss and throw method, where you take the noodles from each side and toss it and throw it in the middle, and that really helps mix the vegetables and masalas and the noodles all together. So stay tuned for the recipe that's coming out this Friday. I'm sure you're gonna love that as well. I'll see you guys next time. Take care and have a great time. Bye.